Welcome to Akter's Wisdom Tales, where English learning meets inspiring stories with a Bangla cultural touch. Today we bring you The Gift of Honesty, a motivational tale to help you practice English while learning a valuable life lesson. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a bustling Bangla village by the river Ganges, there lived a merchant named Rahim. Rahim was not rich, but he was known for his hard work. Every day he would say, "Honesty is the best policy," a simple English phrase that guided his life. One morning, Rahim set out to the market with his cart full of spices. "I must sell these today," he thought. On the way, he met a wealthy trader from the city. The trader asked, "What do you have for sale?" Rahim replied, "Fresh spices from my farm, cinnamon, turmeric, and cardamom." The trader examined the goods and said, "These look good, but I need more. If you add some cheap fillers, I can pay double." Rahim felt tempted. His family needed money. "What should I do?" he whispered to himself. But Rahim remembered his father's words. Integrity builds trust. He shook his head and said, "No, sir, I cannot cheat. My spices are pure." The trader laughed and left, calling Rahim a fool. Disappointed, Rahim continued to the market. There, a kind old woman approached him. "Young man, do you have honest goods?" she asked. Rahim nodded. "Yes, madam. Everything is genuine." She bought all his spices at a fair price and said, "Your honesty shines like the sun." As Rahim headed home, he found a lost pouch on the road. Inside were gold coins. This must belong to someone, he thought. Instead of keeping it, he asked around the village, "Has anyone lost a pouch?" Finally, he found the owner, an elderly farmer. "Thank you for your honesty," the farmer said, rewarding Rahim with half the coins. Word spread about Rahim's good deed. Soon, people from nearby villages came to buy from him. "We trust Rahim," they said. His business grew and he became prosperous. Rahim often reflected, "One act of honesty can change your life." Friends, this story teaches us that honesty brings rewards, even when it's hard. Practice these English phrases. Honesty is the best policy. Integrity builds trust. And one act of honesty can change your life. Use them in your daily conversations to improve your speaking skills. Thank you for watching Akter's Wisdom Tales. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more stories.